sound good today, boy. All me, baby. So I finally got my dead cats in, and I'm hoping that you cannot hear the wind with these, because I just spent like an hour cutting the wire down so I don't have to shove it all in the helmet, because this is a modular helmet. So the front opens up, and I wanted it on the removable part. So there's a modular helmet, and I wanted the dead cat to actually be inside the helmet in the front, and there was no way to tuck all the wire inside the front, because the way I had it set up initially through trial and error is I had all the wire running throughout the helmet, and then the GoPro's on the front. So every time I lift up the front of the helmet, the wire, it'll extend, and it was just too much excess wire hanging. So what I did was, I don't know if you can see it, but I put some tape and I cut the wire and then resoldered it. So now I only got like about a foot of wire, and then I ran it through the front of the helmet. Now when I open the top, that you pretty much don't see any wires, and then I kind of tape the dead cat in place on the fabric with some Tessa tape, and that seems like it's going to hold up pretty well, and kind of hits my chin a little bit, but it's soft, so it doesn't really bother me. If I could get no wind noise or very minimal wind noise out of this setup, I'll be so fucking happy, because this helmet is so noisy, and I'm not sure if it's because it's a modular or what, but I've been watching so many YouTube videos, Do It Dan, Stooge, all these different YouTubers, and their setups are pretty much the same, but their sound just comes out so much better. And then I have a Tascam audio recorder that I have under the passenger seat, so I could get some engine noise or some exhaust notes coming out. That way, if I'm just riding and I'm not talking or anything, you can still hear the bike, you know, and hopefully that sounds good, because I was hooking up an external mic to it, another lapel mic, and what was happening was it was clipping way too much, even though I had the input level so low, like down to the minimum. It was clipping the mic way too much. So what I did was I just took the external mic off the Tascam, and I'm using the stereo microphones that are built into it, and I just put a sock around it, and hopefully that muffles it enough to where you don't hear a bunch of plastic rattling. Such a nice day out. This guy on a fucking longboard in the road. What the fuck? At least he got an orange hat on so I can see his fucking head. Oh shit, that shit got LEDs on the bottom of it. That shit is funny. And I got my new SD cards in finally, 64 gigs. I was using 16 and 32, and I just kept filling them up so quick just on like one ride. So now I got the 64 gigs, and I'm sure I get I won't even fill that up on one ride. And I just download them into my external hard drive when I get home, and then I format the SD card again. Woo, baby. Just a nice Saturday morning cruise. Did a video yesterday, but the audio still was shit. So I'm just redoing it. This is my 2018 Ninja 650 Pearl Gray Storm Edition. I bought it brand new. I've been waiting about 10 years to get my first street bike. I rode dirt bikes before. I waited about 10 years until I finally made the decision to go ahead and do it. So I decided to get myself a new bike, something I could get a warranty on. That way I don't have to worry about any issues and shit like that. I mean, some people probably say it wasn't even worth the money, but it was $600 for 5-year extended warranty. So, well, 4 years extended. So I was out the door right under MSRP. It was crazy. I mean, and then I added the warranty after that. I don't even wear my backpack today. I usually wear my backpack, but I'm not planning on going for a long ride today, so I didn't feel like it was really necessary.
Tell the coppers, ha 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 ha, you can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you drop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like Orville Red and Vodka.
Alright, I ain't gonna be able to go the way I wanted to go because I don't have enough time. I don't think so. Nah, I don't have enough time. Because I still gotta get ready, so it's time to go back. It was good while it lasted. We'll get home in time now. You know why? Because we on a bike. We on the bike. Oh, we get home because we got... We got that. Ooh. Fucking oil on the fucking ground. Almost fell. Oh, we going. It stays yellow. It doesn't turn red. I thought it turned red. It doesn't turn red. That was crazy though. Alright. We're gonna take the scenic route. We're gonna take the scenic route. I'll still make it home in time. Watch. I don't even know why I'm rushing. I'm not rushing, but it'll be like 12:45. We'll probably leave. It's from 1 to 4, so it don't matter. Question. When y'all going around bends like this, I know you don't have to put a knee down or anything. You could, look, I got my knee inside right now, but naturally, I fucking put a knee out. Do y'all do the same shit? I don't know. I just feel like, it's like natural. I just feel better putting my knee out, even though I'm not leaning like that. It's just when I go around a bend like this, I always fucking put my knee out. To pass or not to pass? Not pass. How the fuck you doing 45 in a 45? Come on. Ain't nobody got time for that. Like right there, I throw my leg out and I give it some counter steer and I'm straight.